Hey, we're here at the Creative Hub and we're going to be getting creative with some special guests here for our Make It Fun Day today. We've got Sharon here from Creation Station in Exminster and our special guest Amari's in to help us. And what are we going to be making today?
Slime.
Slime. So we're going to give you the inside secrets of how to produce safe, funky, gorgeous slime.
Very bright slime.
Very bright slime.
Very bright slime.
So, you may have seen the news recently about slime having high levels of boric acid in. So, we take safety and health and safety issues very seriously at Creation Station. So, we designed we got a recipe and we had it checked out by our SSL in terms of how much boron was in this recipe. We wanted to make sure it was safe and when we share this recipe with you, you know it's safe, it's well within the European safety standards, well below the levels of boron to be safe. So, all of that boring stuff, but essential stuff, boring boric acid, all of that stuff essential, but let's get on with the fun stuff.
Absolutely.
Sharon, how do you make this amazing slime?
Okay, so it's really simple. Simple bowl, doesn't matter if you can easily wash it, it's disposable. We need PVA glue, needs to be a decent quality one, so it needs to be quite thick.
So this is one that we use, sorry.
Yeah.
Because we've tried different PVA glues, we just found that this one, the washable glue, works really well.
Yeah, so half a cup of that, half a cup of just normal tap water. You need some bicarbonate of soda, so half a teaspoon of that. You need a squirt of paint. These, the neon paints we sell are really good. As you can see, the orange one there has come out super bright. And the magic activator is this saline solution here, which you can buy from Amazon, I believe. That's where we get ours from.
Yeah.
And that's really good. So I'm going to crack on and show you how to make it. So roughly half a cup of glue. So I'm going to quickly pop that one in.
So the actual ingredients are all detailed on our recipe, which we'll put on our blog for you to access later.
Okay, so same amount of water.
Do you have to make a magic wish or
Do you think magic wish?
wiggle?
Slimy wish.
Yeah.
Slimy wish. Go on, remember the slimy wishes.
The very good slime wish.
Okay. Are they secret?
Okay, so I've got the water and the PVA there, which we just need to make sure it's really nicely mixed. And I think we're going to go for a nice bright luminous green, are we?
Yes, I suppose so.
So,
I don't like green that much.
Don't you?
don't you? That's why I made orange. So we're going to have a good squirt.
What colour are you going to choose?
Yeah, exactly.
Is there anyone joining us suggesting colours?
Not any suggestions of colour just yet, but we've got Emma Winterbourne, Sarah Firth, Sarah Codling,
Hello.
Sarah LaRue and Lisa Hagel watching at the moment.
Hey, the Creative Hub, the Creative Crew. Hello, ladies.
Sure, so that's coming really nice and bright.
Just looking good, isn't it?
Yeah, so that's mixing really nicely. Once you've got it to that stage, we are now going to add some bicarbonate of soda, which most people have a little bit of cooking, I would imagine.
And surprisingly, it's not as messy as everyone thinks it's going to be.
It's not messy, no, it really isn't. So, about half a teaspoon of your bicarb. Give it a good mix.
In our workshops, we always make gloves available, just to make sure that it's limited amount of contact. But actually, it's very.
I mean, the main thing is when you're putting the ingredients in is that you don't want to be touching it. The minute all those ingredients are together, it's perfectly safe to touch. So the ones we've got here are fine, but actually you don't really end up touching. It's just more preventative measure than anything else. So we've got our mixture to that stage. Now is the exciting part. So this is going to be our activator. So our recipe says a tablespoon. I would recommend you probably start off with about half a tablespoon and just keep adding it, because once you've added too much, it will just go a bit rubbery.
Yeah. And of course, half a tablespoon, because the recipe that we've had assessed was with a tablespoon.
Yeah.
So
I'm going to start with half a tablespoon. Now, the secret here is to mix it quite quickly and quite firmly. And I can already feel it pulling on the spoon.
yeah.
So you can see it's starting to come together.
It's
The more you mix it,
The more it gets gloopy
it does.
and slimy.
So
There's a lot of science in this stuff as well.
It's
Right.
getting slime.
Slimy science.
it is. So it's starting to come together. I'm going to pop a tiny bit more,
Yeah.
just a weeny bit.
Yeah. Ooh.
Feels good, doesn't it?
Not that I'm taking over or anything. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow. Feel those muscles up on your arm. I'll let you
does,
carry
doesn't
on.
it?
It does, yeah.
I can do it.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Right.
You can do it.
So once you've got to this stage and you can see it's pulled away from the sides of the bowl,
Yeah.
this is when you need to get it out and start your kneading.
Yeah.
So,
And it's okay to touch it now because all the
so we know.
all the chemicals have
I
combined.
need it. I
So
need
would
it.
you like to do the orange one?
Yeah, I'll do the orange one. I don't care.
So I'm going to
You still want to hand it over, do you?
No.
Your mum.
No, I don't. Cool. So already, now the more you work it,
Yeah.
Whoa.
the more it kind of comes together,
Yeah.
and then it gets to a bit where, so you can start to add some glitter. What else have we got? Some sparkly stars. So would you like to pop some glitter in there?
Oh, go on now.
Oh.
Bit of glitter. Did you want to add the glitter?
No, I'm stuck with this.
So,
It's stuck.
Lovely.
sparkle dust.
So
Perfect.
this is-
Oh. Wow.
And what's interesting, because it's not like paint so much, you still keep the the sparkles don't get hidden. It's still
No,
there.
exactly. So you can go back, you can add more, you can add bigger
Add a few
sequins.
sequins. This would be interesting. Obviously, I think small sequins will work quite nicely as well.
Yeah.
But you can add whatever you like in.
But
So-
it might
and
get
what's-
a bit buried.
Yeah,
in.
it's true.
So what's nice about our recipe as well is we've also got detail on it. So if it does get a little bit stuck on the clothes, it's really easy to get off with a bit of vinegar. But we've got all the details on the recipe about that.
Yeah.
But, keep it on a wipeable surface, and actually just by rolling it around, you can just
Start.
peel it straight off your hands
You start to see
straight
it.
away.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Ew.
We hope you've enjoyed this slimy creative make from Creation Station. And our VIP guests, thank you very much for coming in. Bye.